Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a series of 12 powerful asanas that can be practiced as a full body workout. With alternate contraction and expansion, along with the breathing cycle, it stretches the body in different ways, improving spinal flexibility and helps maintain healthy body weight. Today we'll be learning Surya Namaskar, the Hatha Yoga variation. Stand at the top of the mat with your feet together, tailbone tucked in, shoulders rolled back and relaxed, weight evenly distributed. Bring your arms in Namaste at the center of the chest, Pranamasana. Inhale, stretch your arms up, arching your back, pushing the hip forward. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhaling, fold forward, reaching out and lengthening your spine. Press your palms down. You may bend your knees if you have stiff hamstrings. Padahastasana. Inhale, take your right leg back, toes pointing backward. Right knee on the floor. Back arched, chin lifted up, gaze forward. Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, curl your right toe, take your left leg back, push your sit bones towards the ceiling, lengthening the spine, making an inverted V. Adho Svanasana. Inhale and exhale. Bend your knees and place them down. Now take your chin and chest on the floor. Hips off the floor, toes curled under. 8 points touching the ground. Ashtangasana. Inhale, lower your hip, point your toes, keeping your feet together, raise your upper body. Look up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, curl your toe and raise your hip to come back to downward dog. Adho Svanasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward, coming into Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, bring your right leg forward into Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Stretch your arms up. Exhale, Pranamasana. Palms joined together at the chest. This completes half of Surya Namaskar. Now we repeat from the left side. Inhale your arms up. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bending forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, take your left leg back, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, both legs together into Adho Svanasana. Inhale and exhale, Ashtangasana. 8 points of the body touching the ground. Chest, chin, knees and toes. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, come to downward dog. Inhale and take your right leg forward. Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, both legs together, Padahastasana. Inhale, bring your arms up, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pranamasana. Now let's do a couple of rounds of Surya Namaskar together. As a beginner, you can start with 2 to 4 rounds of Surya Namaskar and gradually increase the count. Practicing Surya Namaskar in the morning rejuvenates your body and refreshes your mind, relieving stress and depression. Release your palms and relax.